Yeah, flashlight. Can't tell if that's... Dear Diary, today I hit shit with a hammer. Now. And Star Wipeout. I got a feeling that metal was compromised. You are a bad, bad bearing. Boop, boop, boop.